Alright guys, in this video series I'm going to be showing how to have your own dedicated server in the house or wherever you want to have it. The best thing to do is to use a computer with Xeon processor. This is Z600 workstation, and it has Xeon processor. You can see the specification in the description below. I'm not going to go through that details right now. What I want to show you first is because this I already have 6 terabytes of hard disk. I'm going to open this part. So here's what I've got. 3 terabyte up here, and I don't have any other space, and this is a mechanical hard disk. I want the computer, the operating system, to run faster, so I bought the Samsung SSD 850 Pro. This is just for me to enhance the performance of this PC, of this workstation. So because I don't have enough space, that's why I bought that, and I want to create a space just right underneath the DVD drive here, and that's what I'm about to show you in this particular video. Alright, because this particular one is there's no bracket to hold the SSD drive, except I just drop it in there. Let's take it out and see what we've got. Now, to take off these the bottom rack here, or bracket here, just hold this flap, hold it out, and then you'll be able to slide it out. And this is what I've got. So there's no way for me to position it or to hold it in there. That's why I bought this all-master bracket. And the reason why I bought two is because they're kind of different, so I don't know what I'm gonna get. So I decided to order both of them. And the first one is this, or one of them is this. And this is how it looks. There's a flap here. Let me see if I can show you. It says All Master, and let's bring it out and just see what we've got. Now in here I've got all the screws, and this is another screw, and also the front here is kind of open, which means I need to break off this part and then slide it into this to cover this part. I think this will be good for some kind of ventilation into the SSD drive, but I'm not really sure if this is the one I want to use. And I'm gonna look at the second one, take out the second one as well. Let's see what we've got in there. And here's the second one. Just taking it out for the first time. And it's got the manual as well. As you can see, kind of different, but let's take a look at everything. Got the screws. I'm gonna separate this one, and then the last screw here. Now they're both of the same spec, but this one is kind of sealed, which I think it's kind of nice because it matches this one here. And there are 2 perforated holes here, which should be able to hold the or match the hook on the inside. This one only has one here, so I'm not sure which one is going to hold perfectly in here, but let's see what we're going to do. So I'm removing these, and I'm going to be replacing it with one of these. Alright, I've made my decision. I think this will be a lot better for me. They're both the same thing, same spec. The only thing, as I mentioned earlier, you need to break this part and insert it here, and you can just push it up and just take it out. But I'm going to be using this one, and the SSD drive can just go in here, and then you can push it up, and the screws will be able to go here. I think I'm going to